The poetry of the earth is never dead. John Keats.
Interview with Mr. Andre Ballou.
Why do you like nature?
I love nature because it relaxes me. I feel like I'm becoming one with God. I'm able to enjoy the beauty of the trees, the sound of the animals running free. There's so much I love about nature.
What's your absolute favorite? If you had to pick one thing.
The feeling that I'm able to release, relax, and relate with the oneness of mankind and humanity.
Thank you.
Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Lao Tzu.
Interview with Miss Arzu Tayi. So why do you love nature?
Well, I love nature because it's natural and not produced by man.
And what do you think religion has to do with nature?
Religion is also natural and not made from man. It's made by God, which is like a natural force.
Thank you.
Me. A lush carpet of pine needles or spongy grass is more welcome than the most luxurious Persian rug. Helen Keller.
Interview with Justice Dozier and Lua Hofer.
What do you like about nature?
I like about nature because I see a lot of different animals.
You see a lot of different animals? What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a squirrel.
A squirrel?
And my favorite animal is a dolphin.
I love dolphins too.
I think they're really playful.
Yeah, they're really cool.
Just like us.
Yeah,
Even a little more playful.
yeah. What are you guys building here?
We're building a fire.
A fire? Awesome. Well, thanks for being movie stars today.
We're trying to make a real...
The human spirit needs places where nature has not been rearranged by the hand of men. Anonymous. End with a quote. There's so much pollution in the air now that if it weren't for our lungs, there would be no place to put it all. Robert. Times when we didn't know what we were doing.
Okay, well you should click. What?
What are we doing?
Is this recording?
No, it isn't recording.
Wait, what's
no,
it?
we're not recording. We're trying to. What? No, that's not the right thing to hit. No.
Look, how do you stop it?
What is that?
Thank you. We hope you enjoy.